The wait is nearly over, and Apple's next big moment is just days away. All eyes are on the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, and these leaks have already set the stage for what could be one of the most surprising upgrades we've seen in years. The design alone signals a major shift, with Apple introducing a bold new camera bump that stretches across the top of the device. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about housing the new upgraded telephoto system, which explains why even the LiDAR sensor and flash have been repositioned. But the real surprise is the material choice. Unlike the titanium build we saw on the iPhone 15 Pro models, Apple is reportedly switching back to aluminum. For some, this feels like a step down for premium devices, but it could mean lighter weight and improved durability if Apple has refined the formula. The cameras are where Apple is clearly investing the most. The Pro Max is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor capable of 5 to 8 times optical zoom. This could make it one of the most powerful zoom systems Apple has ever put on an iPhone. The enlarged square housing on the back starts to make sense when you consider the space needed for adjustable lenses and sensors. On the front, the selfie camera is finally getting a meaningful upgrade, doubling from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels. This promises sharper selfies, better skin tones, and stronger performance in low light, an area where iPhones have lagged behind rivals in recent years. Connectivity also appears to be part of Apple's plan. Antennas will reportedly wrap around the new camera bump, possibly boosting reception and stability. Alongside this, new color options are on the way, giving buyers more personality in their choices. Beyond the usual black, white, and gray, Apple is adding a striking orange and another shade of blue to the mix. The display technology might be one of the most underrated upgrades. Borrowing from the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro models could introduce nano-texture glass, a finish that reduces glare and harsh reflections. This would make the screen far more comfortable to use in direct sunlight or under bright indoor lighting. For creators, video recording is getting an even bigger boost, with leaks pointing toward a dedicated Pro video app. Dual recording, capturing footage from both front and rear cameras simultaneously, and even 8K recording options could be added. Performance and efficiency are equally important. And here Apple seems to be addressing long-standing concerns. The Pro Max may finally jump to a 5,000 mAh battery, while the Pro is expected to carry around 3,700 mAh. Combined with the upcoming A19 Pro chip and 12 GB of RAM, these upgrades should deliver not just speed, but also endurance. Apple is also preparing for the heat generated by these demanding features with a new vapor cooling system, which could keep performance steady under pressure. All of these leaks lead us to the September 9th Apple event, where speculation will finally meet reality. Pricing is expected to remain firmly in the flagship range, with the iPhone 17 Pro starting near $1,099 and the Pro Max around $1,199.